Hello, wisdom wizards. Welcome to our exploration of the power of visualization. Today, we venture into the realm of imagination, where we'll understand how to channel our innermost dreams and desires into tangible reality. We'll not only unravel the mystery behind visualization, but also learn how to employ it effectively to achieve our goals. This journey promises to be enlightening, empowering, and transformative. So, are you ready? Let's dive into the fascinating world of visualization. What exactly is visualization and why does it matter? Let's dive into it. Visualization is a technique that involves creating a mental image or intention of what you want to happen or feel. It's like a blueprint that the mind constructs and then uses to shape your reality. Sounds magical, doesn't it? But it's not magic, it's a powerful mental tool. Now, why does it matter? Well, visualization aligns with a concept known as the law of attraction. The idea here is that our thoughts and emotions can attract corresponding events and circumstances in our lives. By visualizing, we're sending out a clear, focused image of what we want to attract. To bring this into perspective, let's look at some real-world examples. Consider the highly acclaimed comedian Jim Carrey. He once wrote himself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered and dated it for Thanksgiving 1995. He visualized it, believed in it, and yes, he did receive a movie role worth exactly that amount by the date he had written. Another example is Olympic gold medalist Michael Phelps. His coach taught him the watch the tape technique. He mentally rehearsed every detail of his perfect race every day, and we all know his record-breaking achievements. As you can see, visualization is quite powerful. It's not just about daydreaming, but about consciously and intentionally shaping our reality. It's like a secret key to unlock the door to our desired future. Now let's delve into the science behind visualization. It's not just a feel-good method or a new age fad. There's a strong psychological and neurological basis for why visualization works. Let's begin by understanding our brain's power. The brain is a magnificent organ, capable of incredible things. It's not just an idle spectator in our lives, but an active participant. It processes millions of pieces of information every second, and it perceives and reacts to the world around us. But here's the fascinating part. Our brain doesn't differentiate between real and imagined experiences. When we visualize, our brain fires up the same neurons as it would if we were living that experience in reality. This is known as neuroplasticity, our brain's ability to form and reorganize synaptic connections, especially in response to learning or experience. This is why athletes often practice visualization techniques. By vividly imagining their performance, their brain is essentially getting a rehearsal of the event. It's as if they're training their muscles and reflexes through their mind's eye. And it's not just athletes who benefit. Visualization can help us in our personal lives, careers, and even in our health. There's a wealth of scientific studies to support this. For example, a study published in the Journal of Consulting and Clinical Psychology found that people who used visualization techniques could significantly improve their mood and reduce physical symptoms of stress. Another research, published in the Journal of Sport and Amp Exercise Psychology, showed that weightlifters could enhance their muscle strength just by mentally rehearsing their workouts. Isn't that amazing? By using the power of our mind, we can influence our physical reality. This is the essence of visualization. It's not about wishful thinking or daydreaming aimlessly. It's a deliberate, focused process where we create a mental blueprint of our desired outcomes. And our brain interprets this as a real experience, priming us to act and respond in ways that align with our visualized goals. In essence, your mind can't distinguish between a vividly imagined event and a real one. Now that we understand what visualization is and why it works, let's discuss how to do it effectively. First off, find a quiet, comfortable place where you can relax without interruption. This could be a cozy corner of your home, a peaceful spot in nature, or even a calming mental space you create within your mind. The goal here is to be able to concentrate fully on your visualization without any distractions. Once you're settled in your quiet space, it's time to set a specific and achievable goal. This could be anything from landing your dream job to mastering a new skill or improving a personal relationship. The key here is to be as detailed as possible. Instead of thinking, "I want to be successful," Try to define what success looks like for you. Is it leading a big project at work? Is it running your own business? The more specific you are, the easier it will be to visualize your goal. Next, create a mental image of your desired outcome. This is where your imagination comes into play. Picture yourself achieving your goal. What do you look like? What are you wearing? Who is with you? Where are you? Try to make the image as clear and vivid as possible. Now engage all your senses in this visualization. Don't just see yourself achieving your goal, but also feel, hear, smell and taste it. If your goal is to run a marathon, for example, feel the sweat on your forehead, hear the cheers of the crowd, smell the fresh air and taste the cool water as you cross the finish line. By engaging all your senses, you make the visualization more real and convincing for your brain. Next, feel the emotions associated with achieving your goal. This is a crucial step because emotions are powerful motivators. Feel the joy, the pride, the relief, the exhilaration. Let these positive emotions fill you up and fuel your desire to make your visualization a reality. And finally, practice. Like any skill, visualization gets better with practice. Make it a part of your daily routine. Spend a few minutes each day immersed in your visualization. Remember, consistency is key. Even just 10 minutes a day can make a big difference over time. Now, maintaining focus during visualization can be challenging, especially when you're just starting out. Here are a few tips to help you stay on track. First, start with short visualization sessions and gradually increase the duration as your focus improves. Second, use a visualization aid if you're finding it hard to create mental images. This could be a vision board, a relevant photograph, or a symbolic object. And third, if your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your visualization. Don't get frustrated. Remember, it's a practice. Also, avoid common distractions during visualization. Turn off your phone, let others know not to disturb you, and choose a time when you're least likely to be interrupted. Early morning or late at night might work best for some, while others might find a quiet moment during their lunch break. Find what works best for you. Remember, the key to effective visualization is regular and consistent practice. So start today, and before you know it, you'll be well on your way to transforming your dreams into reality. To illustrate the power of visualization, let's look at some real-life success stories. First, let's visit the world of sports, where visualization is often a key part of training. Consider the story of legendary golfer Jack Nicklaus. He once said, "I never hit a shot, not even in practice, without having a very sharp, in-focus picture of it in my head." His career, punctuated by a record 18 major championship victories, is a testament to the power of visualization. But it's not just in the realm of sports where visualization can make a difference. Let's turn to the world of entertainment and the story of Jim Carrey. Before he became a household name, Carrey wrote himself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, dated it for Thanksgiving 1995 and kept it in his wallet. In the mid-90s, he received a movie role that paid him, you guessed it, $10 million. Visualization can also transform personal relationships. Take the story of Sarah, a woman who longed for a loving and supportive partner. She began to visualize her ideal relationship, imagining everything from shared laughter to comforting hugs. Within a year, she met her now husband, who embodies all the qualities she had visualized. Finally, consider the story of John Assaraf, a successful entrepreneur and author. He visualized a specific dream home, even going as far as to place a picture of the house on his vision board. Years later, he realized he had purchased the exact house he had visualized. Each of these individuals from diverse walks of life have one thing in common. They all used the power of visualization to manifest their goals. From career success to personal relationships, from physical achievements to personal possessions, their stories underscore that visualization is not just wishful thinking. It's a potent tool for creating the life you desire. These stories demonstrate the transformative power of visualization. Now let's try a guided visualization exercise together. Start by finding a quiet, comfortable place where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a few deep, calming breaths, allowing your body to relax and your mind to clear. Imagine a blank canvas in your mind. This canvas represents your future, a future that is yet to be painted. In your hand, you hold the brush and the palette of colors, each color representing different aspects of the life you desire. Now think about a specific goal you'd like to achieve. It could be anything, from a career milestone, a personal relationship, or a state of health and well-being. Visualize this goal as a vivid, detailed image on your canvas. Paint it with the boldest and brightest colors from your palette. Now, engage all your senses. If your goal is a career milestone, perhaps you can hear the sound of applause, feel the firm handshake of a colleague congratulating you, smell the fresh ink on the certificate of achievement, taste the sweet champagne of celebration, and see the proud smiles of your loved ones. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goal. Allow yourself to experience the joy, the pride, the satisfaction. Let these feelings fill your heart and spill over, coloring every corner of your canvas. Hold on to this image. Embed it into every stroke and shade on your canvas. This is your desired future, a future you can manifest through the power of visualization. Now slowly bring yourself back to the present. Open your eyes when you're ready, but remember the image on your canvas. Keep it in your mind, visit it often, and watch as it transforms from an imagined future to your reality. We hope you found that exercise helpful and calming. To wrap things up, we've delved into the transformative power of visualization, understanding its basis in both psychology and neuroscience. We've learned, step by step, how to harness this tool effectively, drawing inspiration from real-life success stories. It's essential to remember that the journey of manifestation requires consistent practice and patience. So keep creating those vivid mental images of your dreams, engage your senses, and feel the emotions associated with your ambitions. Remember, success with visualization may take time, but it's a powerful tool for achieving your goals. Before we sign off, we'd like to extend a warm invitation to breathe life into our content. If you found value in this journey into the power of visualization, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more enlightening content. We're curious to hear about your own voyages into the realm of visualization. Have a story or a question? Do share in the comments below. Your engagement helps us create more content like this. We have come to the end of our journey today. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of visualization. I'm delighted to continue sharing these pearls of wisdom with you. Please engage further on our social media and website. Until next time, Wisdom Wizards, keep visualizing and manifesting your dreams.